If you're ready to start an LLC in Florida, you're in the right place. I've personally set up an LLC in Florida, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process so you can do it yourself without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to form your Florida LLC, get your tax ID number, and understand all the ongoing requirements to keep your business compliant. So, let's dive right into it. The main reason most people want to form an LLC in Florida is because they either live in Florida or plan to operate their business there. However, even beyond residency, Florida offers some strong business advantages that make it an attractive state for LLC formation. One of the biggest benefits is Florida's tax structure, which is very favorable for small business owners and entrepreneurs. First, Florida has no state income tax for individuals. This means that if your LLC is taxed as a pass-through entity, which most LLCs are by default, the profits from your business pass directly to your personal tax return. You won't pay any state income tax on those profits, only federal income tax and any applicable self-employment taxes. Compared to states like California or New York, where state income taxes can be quite high, this can save you a significant amount of money every year. Second, Florida has a business-friendly environment with relatively low fees and straightforward filing requirements. The state supports a wide range of industries, including tourism, real estate, e-commerce, professional services, and technology startups. There's solid infrastructure in place for businesses of all sizes, which makes it easier to operate and grow your company over time. That said, Florida does have strict compliance rules, especially when it comes to annual filings. If you miss a required deadline, the penalties can be expensive, and we'll cover those in detail later in the video. Before we jump into the formation process itself, it's important to understand what a limited liability company, or LLC, actually is. An LLC combines the flexibility and tax advantages of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. In simple terms, it creates a separate legal entity for your business. This separation means that your personal assets, such as your house, car, and personal bank accounts, are generally protected from business debts and lawsuits. This liability protection is one of the main reasons LLCs are so popular among small business owners. Now, here's something that often trips people up when forming an LLC in Florida. You are required to have a registered agent. A registered agent is your LLC's official representative who receives legal documents, government notices, and compliance-related mail on behalf of your business. Florida law requires that your registered agent have a physical address in Florida and be available during normal business hours to receive documents. Technically, you can act as your own registered agent and use your home address. However, there are some important downsides to doing this. Your address becomes part of the public record, meaning anyone can look up your LLC and see where you live. Additionally, if you're not available when important legal documents are delivered, you could miss critical deadlines, which can lead to penalties or even administrative dissolution of your LLC. That's why I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. A professional service protects your privacy, ensures that you never miss important documents, and helps keep your business compliant with state requirements. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally, and they're reliable, reasonably priced, and make the entire process straightforward and stress-free. To follow along, you can go to barsley.com/Northwest. This will bring you directly to the Northwest Registered Agent homepage. From here, click on Let's Get You Started, which will take you to the company formation page. This is where we'll begin entering the details for our Florida LLC. First, you'll see options for different business types. Since we're forming an LLC, go ahead and select LLC. Next, you'll need to choose your state. In our case, we're selecting Florida. Once Florida is selected, you'll see the pricing breakdown. Northwest charges $39 for their service, and the Florida state filing fee is $125. This brings the total to $164. Without any discounts, this total would normally be $289, so you're saving a significant amount. Once you click Continue, you'll start filling in the actual business information. The first thing you'll enter is your company name. This name must be unique in Florida and must include Limited Liability Company or LLC at the end. Make sure to choose a name that reflects your business and is easy for customers to remember. Next, you'll see a question asking whether copies of lawsuits or legal notices should be sent to an attorney. In most cases, you can select no. Then you'll be asked about your business purpose. You can describe your specific activity, such as running a marketing agency or an online store. If you're unsure, selecting Use Generic Business Purpose is perfectly acceptable and very common. Now it's time to enter your address information. This step is very important. You'll need to choose the physical and mailing address that will be on record with the state. Here, you should select the registered agent address provided by Northwest. Using their address instead of your own protects your privacy and keeps your personal address off public records. Once that's done, click Continue. Next, you'll choose your management structure. Most single-owner LLCs should be set up as member-managed. This means that you, as the owner, are responsible for managing the business. You'll then enter your name as the primary member and again use the registered agent address. You'll also see an option asking whether to list members or managers with the state. I generally recommend selecting List with the state. While omitting this information may offer slightly more privacy, it can make it harder to open business bank accounts or work with certain institutions. After that, you'll enter your personal contact information. This information is kept private and is only used by Northwest to communicate with you and process your order. It does not become part of the public record. Next is the business identity section. Northwest may offer optional services such as a website, business email, or phone number. These are usually paid services with a trial period. I recommend skipping these for now, as you can easily set them up later on your own. On the following page, you'll see additional services. One service you absolutely need is an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. This is your business's tax ID and is required to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. While you can apply for an EIN yourself through the IRS, Northwest can handle it for you for a small fee, saving you time and hassle. Once you complete the order, Northwest will begin filing your LLC with the state of Florida. Florida typically processes LLC filings within 4 to 10 business days. EIN processing usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. Once everything is approved, you'll gain access to the Northwest dashboard, where all your important documents are stored in one place. These documents include your articles of organization, your registered agent information, your EIN, and other official business records. The dashboard also sends reminders for upcoming deadlines, which is extremely helpful. Finally, it's important to understand the ongoing costs and compliance requirements. Florida LLCs must file an annual report by May 1st each year. The fee is $139, and missing this deadline results in a $400 penalty. In addition, you'll pay an annual registered agent fee, which is typically around $125. To wrap things up, Florida is an excellent state for LLC formation due to its favorable tax environment and business-friendly regulations. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks.